You to love yourself, you have to know who you are. So how can you love anything if you don't know who you are? Nothing exists outside of you. Everything exists within you. You have to give power to things in order for it to exist. What you believe becomes your reality. We all have the ability to create our own reality. Whether there's illusions or whether it's factual. But it's your reality. Much gratitude for the gifts. It's your reality. But people refusing to realize is it they're refusing to realize the simple fact that I am not a part of your reality. If you are on a low vibrational frequency, I do not give consent to your reality.